Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the HPE ProLiant DL380 Gen10 Plus. In this video, we're going to go over the supported operating systems. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the HPE ProLiant DL380 Gen10 Plus. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. This is going to be a continuation of our series specifically focused on supported operating systems. So here's what we're going to do in this video. First, we're going to go over what are the supported operating systems. So we'll throw up a little list of the supported operating systems. If there's something else that you're using, hey, drop a comment down below, let the other users know. Then we're going to show you how to download Windows Server 2022. Then we're going to show you how to create a bootable USB with a program we like called Rufus. And then we're going to show you how to physically install the Windows Server 2022 onto the bootable USB and then onto your server. And we're going to show you step-by-step instructions with screen captures for everything. So let's just hop into the fun stuff. So let's start with the most important thing. What are the supported operating systems? What are my choices? What can I even use? So Windows Server is what we like to start with. That's going to be 2016, 2019, 2022, and 2025. Yes, 2025 is supported. I know we're doing 2022 in this video, but it's the same basic instructions as 2025, just so you know. And then you can use VMware ESXi. Yeah, I know a lot of people don't like VMware right now, and it is horribly expensive, so I don't blame you if you are no longer using VMware, but it is still supported. Then you can use a number of different Linuxes. You have Ubuntu, you have Red Hat, you have SUSE. There's a bunch of good Linuxes that you can use, and again, if there's something else that you like, drop a comment down below and let the other users know. All right, now we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on exactly how to download and install Windows Server 2022.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I will show you guys how to install Windows Server locally onto your server. So all you need is a server with enough storage space available for the installation, and you can do this with an external USB, an M.2 SSD, with an adapter, SAS or SATA drives plugged into the backplane. You can do this a number of different ways. This process does not require an active network connection on the server. All right, so first thing you'll need to do is go to the website link and download the English ISO 64-bit version and have that file ready to be put on a bootable USB. So now we will show you guys how to create a bootable USB. So just go into your browser and search up a program called Rufus. Download the program. Once it is done downloading, go ahead and run it and plug in the USB you are planning to put the ISO file on. Under the device in Rufus, make sure that you have the USB drive selected. If you only have one USB drive plugged in, it will select the device by default. Leave everything under the default settings and then click the select button and choose the ISO file from the previous steps. Click Start to begin creating the Windows Server installation USB drive. Alright, so now we're going to install the Windows Server into our server. Take that USB drive and plug it into the server, boot up the server, and during post, you'll press F11 to enter the boot manager. Then select the USB drive you plugged into the server and hit enter. This will boot straight into the Windows Server installation. This first screen that pops up will ask you for the language, time, currency format, and keyboard or input method. For us, it is set to English United States, which is what we want, so we'll leave it as it is. Click Next when you have your desired language, time, currency format, and input method selected. And then you will click Install Windows Server. Now we will pick the specific operating system that we want. In our case, we will choose the standard evaluation desktop experience. This is different for anyone wanting a different operating system, but for us, we want to install this specific one. Once you click Next, you will need to accept the terms and conditions for the operating system and click Next. Now you will select the location for where you will install Windows Server OS. As you can see, it located these disks and is asking where we want to install the OS. We will choose the disk 0, click Next, and begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, the server will reboot and will boot into Windows Server, and that is how you will install Windows into your server.
Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. If you're looking for any custom built HPE, Dell, Supermicro, Asus, Gigabyte, Cisco, IBM, maybe you're looking for an AMD Ryzen server or an EPYC server, maybe you're looking for a GPU server, we have it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.